And what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm back with another update. I know it's been a while, but y'all know how this shit go, man. Been busy, all that good shit, man. Life been lifing. But with all that said and done, I just got finished running my dual runs of 0 gauge, the 2-aught welding cable. I just got finished running that to the back. I'm still working around and playing around with the placement of the battery and how I'm gonna set my amps up and all that good stuff. But it's still a work in progress, man. So in this video, I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I'm gonna get up on the truck, show y'all how I ran it. It's still in the making, guys. I still got to seal stuff up. I still got to make sure it's leak proof and all that other good stuff. I still got to get grommets, all type of stuff, because I did run the 2 runs of 2-aught up under the truck and back on the inside. Now I could have ran it back to the bed of the truck and placed the amps and stuff on the back of the box, but I ain't gonna cap. I ain't want to do it like that. I wanted to keep all my amps on the inside of the truck because that's just how I want to do mine. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, y'all already know what to do, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell and all that good stuff, man. And I got more videos that are about to be on the way. Big shouts out to Hyanka. They sent me one of their newest 15s, one of the newest 15s that they came out. It's the newer model than the 15s that I have now. And we're gonna do some testing on that. We're gonna do a review on that. And we're gonna see how much power that sub can actually take and all that good stuff. And if it do well, guys, I know I said I'm gonna run Slaps audio, but if that new Hyanka, which is rated at like 1600 watts a piece, I think it is. If that sub can take a little abuse, 4 of them on an 8K might be crazy. I don't know though. Y'all gotta stay tuned to see. We're gonna check it out. But without further ado, let me pop this hood. I'm show y'all what I done did. Don't judge me, like I said, it's still in the making. If y'all hear any wind noise, man, y'all got to excuse me, man. We got some crazy storms getting ready to roll through that thing, but y'all can see what I'm dealing with. I'm feeling drips and drizzles now. That's my kid playing out there. But let me pop this hood real quick, show y'all what I got going on. I got the dual alternators. I got the JS370 and I got the Billet JS370. The Billet JS370 is gonna run just the subwoofer side of the system, which is the bass amp, the battery, and the rest. You see what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, I haven't put any real power on this alternator yet. I still haven't done that. But what I did do was run my wires already. As y'all can see, we got the BassAddict logo on there, and it goes down up under the truck. Let me see, can I get up under here and show y'all real quick how I got it ran. I had to make sure that I avoided fuel lines and all the other good stuff, but I think the way I got it wired, it'll be okay. So as y'all can see where I got all the zip ties. This is the dual wires running back to the back. Y'all can see it going all the way down there, and then you see it going up. I gotta put some more zip ties on that part. Y'all see right here with my finger, I gotta put some zip tie right there. I'm glad I just looked at that. But it goes there, then it comes up here, goes into the fuse block, BassAddict, 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 and it goes into my battery box. Now this is only a 40 amp bank, but I am planning on getting 6 more of these and making an 80 amp hour bank. But for now, this is what I got going on. It could change, it may stay the same, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna configure my amps. But when I do tomorrow or sometime next week, do my ground wires and run the hot wire from, you know, here to there, I gotta figure it out, guys. But this just a rough a rough sketch of what I got going on. My mid-range amp is gonna go where the base 8K is. The base 8K is gonna sit here. I did order a JP 4-channel amp. I think it's like slime green. I forgot how many watts it is per channel, but I did get a better mid-range amp, and I am gonna rewire my doors and all that stuff and hook it up the way it should be. I'm just taking my time with it, guys, but like I said, don't judge me. They just BassAddict my high ride every day. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, guys, I mean, in my opinion, it's coming along pretty doggone good, man. I'm pretty satisfied with the way I got the wires ran. If y'all see something that I don't, please let me know, because I'm not trying to blow up trying to give a goddamn demo as far as how I got the wires ran. If y'all see something I didn't see or something I missed, please leave it in the comment section below. I'm not an expert in this shit, but I do what I can. I'm gonna give y'all a quick demo of what it sounds like now. Everything is playing at this moment. I got the bass amp ran off of the regular JS370 alternator for now with the big 3. That alternator running the truck and everything else, and the bass amp and the mid-range for now. That just my for now system until I get that shit there sorted out. Now, don't judge my battery box. I built it out of scratch. I still got to paint it, all that good shit. I still got to round out the corners with my router and everything. But like I said, guys, this is just a rough sketch of how I want the system to be laid out. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little demo of a couple songs, man. Hopefully it translate through video or whatever. Let y'all hear what the 4 Hyankle 15 sound like on the 8K. Trust me, it gets the fuck off. But there's no battery or anything on the 8K, so if I turn it up too loud, the 8K gonna cut off. It's gonna cut off because it don't have enough juice going to it. So at this moment, it's a certain volume I can play it at and be okay, if that makes sense to y'all. But I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick. Just a quick update. I know y'all ain't seen me make no videos in a while, man, but if y'all been following the channel for a while, y'all know how it go, man. But let y'all hit the truck, man. Give y'all a quick demo, and yeah, let's get it. This is what we're gonna be playing, some blues. The name of it is Grown and Sexy. It's 23 hertz to 31 hertz. We're gonna be playing some blues, and for copyright purposes, guys, I am gonna turn the doors off. I'm gonna let some words play for a little while so y'all can hear the song, but then I'm gonna go to my DSP, press that first blue button right there, and I'm gonna turn my doors off, and it's gonna be strictly bass for copyright purposes. So let's get it. Turn up bass 8K on 4 Hyankle 15s in the blow through. Let me let y'all hear the thing, and then I'm gonna turn the doors off, and it's gonna be strictly bass. Let's get it. Yeah. Search in the palms of all this. Strictly doing our thing. Doors off, strictly bass, guys. I hope it comes through on video. This bitch got kick to it, y'all. You feel it in your chest. And keep in mind, I cannot turn it all the way up at this point, guys, because ain't no battery on it. this shit up here shaking. But like I said, I can't turn it up the way I want to, guys, because I don't have no battery support at this point. But for now, as a daily driver, it gets down. Use discount code at BigJeff.com, man, if y'all looking for some speakers. Anything y'all need car audio, holla at Big Jeff. Discount code BassAddict. Also, custom speaker parts, man. Discount code BassAddict. Huge shouts out to JS Alternators, man. They being real helpful, real supportive with the movement, man. Huge shouts out to all three of these guys right here, man. Huge shout out. That shit hit so hard on the inside, y'all. Y'all just don't get it, bro. That thump, that's what I want. That bitch punching, boy. You can feel that shit in your goddamn chest, bro. I gotta turn it down now, cause I know my neighbors, they're totally different than playing the Sonata. The Sonata loud, don't get me wrong, but they right here totally different, bro. Like, I pulled up to the house because I forgot something one time, and I left the music playing, ran in the house, and when I went in the house, y'all, literally every single thing in my goddamn house was shaking like fuck, bro. Like, bro, when I say everything, it sounds like the fucking roof gonna cave in, bro. So I know my neighbors and all the other shit, they feel it as well, bro. So I can't play it for too long out here like that, man. But like I said, this is just a quick update video of what I got going on currently with this build, guys. I am still working on it, and I am still trying to get it together. Like I said, as of now, my doors, they sound damn good. Don't get me wrong. These motherfuckers sound good, loud, clear, and crisp. But they are not wired the way they should be. To be honest with y'all, they're not wired the way they should be, but it works. It definitely works. But they're not wired the way they should be. Shouts out to everybody that give me advice. Huge shouts out to JS Alternators, custom speaker parts, BIGJEFF, and all those that support everything I got going on, especially Hayanka. Those guys, yes, everybody look at them like it's a cheap brand, did that, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to be real with y'all. I can email these people, man, and they will literally do whatever they can to support whatever I got going on. I blew this speaker like 2 weeks ago, bro. And I emailed them and told them what was going on. And I promised to God, y'all, in 3 days flat, they had me another one, which is this one right here. They sent me out another one, bro. So huge shouts out to them guys too, man. This your boy BassAddict, checking out with another one, man. We are
This is a dangerous group. Groups that we're dealing with now.
Yeah, I'm a BassAddict.
Bobbing, knocking pictures off the wall. 15s, didn't see no wires. And then I heard a boom from the amplifiers.
Yeah, I'm a BassAddict.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy BassAddict.
I'm a BassAddict.
And then I heard a boom from the amplifiers.